Hello and welcome, friends. Today we're going to be taking a look at a drain field. So this system was installed in 2019, and we can see right here that we have our 4-inch observation port. Now, this is very standard on almost every distribution box in our area. The purpose of this is so that way if something goes wrong, you have a way of kind of checking and seeing what's going on without having to dig up the entire yard. So what we're going to do today, since there's only one drain field coming off of this, we're going to go ahead and toss the camera through it. That little pipe that we have to the left of the observation port is my basically extension. It's just going to be a normal 2-inch PVC pipe with a 90 on the end. And then what I do is I toss the camera through, and this helps to give me some leverage when I go down in there. So we can see here that we're inside the box, and we can see the drain field line. So we're going to go ahead and toss the camera in. How a drain field works is very similar to like a French drain, right? So in this particular property, it's going to be 2 feet wide, 6 feet deep, and about 55 feet total length. So what they'll do is they'll fill that trench with number 2 limestone and a perforated pipe. So as we're running the camera through, we're going to see all these little holes. Those holes are going to basically allow all the effluent, which is the poo water, to work its way into the stone. As it continues on into the stone, it'll work its way into the soil. The soil will basically act as the natural filter, cleans up all of the bacteria, and then the water just works its way back into the environment, right? So it's very important whenever you're buying a home that you have somebody who knows what they're looking at come in and take a look at everything, right? This septic system didn't look super new, but the drain field was. The buyer was very concerned about what they might have been getting, and they wanted to have somebody come take a look. So we run the camera through, and we're able to see exactly what we're working with. This drain field looks pretty good, but now we're going to go ahead and find where it goes. So we pull out our handy dandy locator. On the end of my camera head is going to be a little radio, and it's going to communicate with this locator. And so what will happen is the locator will pick up where it is. It'll tell me how deep everything is and what direction the pipe's facing. So what we're looking for is the little ball that's at the top of this screen. And once I get that lined up, we'll know exactly where we're at. So right there, I have it kind of pulling up the 4 balls. That means we're definitely right on top of it, 2 feet, 9 inches down. And this is just going to show you the perspective of how far away that drain field went from the distribution box. Till next time, guys.